This video is going to explain how to use a document in Google Drive, and by sharing it back and forth you can go paperless, a way to interact as a teacher and a student. First of all, what I've done to prepare is I've already created a document here that I'm going to share, and I've actually already shared it. I've done this before, showing you how to share. You just click share and you put the email address here that you want to invite to it. Since I've already done that, I'm not going to share on this video. And I'll move over to my other web browser. This is where I've opened it as a student, and I was told to cross to heterozygous tabby striped cats. So I did this, intentionally making an error, which I recognize that is my mistake. But I'm going to send it back to the teacher, and since it's a shared from the teacher, teacher already can see it. So when the teacher opens their Google Drive, this is the one I shared earlier, they open it up and now they can see what the student has entered, and they can go back and comment on it. Notice here it says that the last edit was made 22 minutes ago. If you click on that, you can actually see the revisions. This is the original version. This is the new version. And you can do that. You can now tell who has done what. If we had 4 people doing this, all 4 people's names would be listed there. And so we want to make a comment. We know there's a problem here. So we're going to comment to this student, and we're going to say, check the second row. And again, it's already a shared document. So when we come over here, look, my comment's here. Let me scroll over so you can see it better. It says check the second row. The student can not recognize, oh look, I didn't do it right. I need to fix that by saying it's this way. And then I can comment back and say fixed it. I don't know, for the sake of this video, I'm doing a lot of back and forth. It's confusing because it's my same name in my 2 accounts, but you can notice how we get to going and go back and forth. You can use this as a way from a shared, if you're looking for a shared document, you go to shared these, sorry, that's starred. Shared with me, nobody shared this account, but over here is my student account that I've created. When I go shared with me, I've had 2 things shared with me so far, and I can see the dates and the revisions. This is a great way to go paperless, to interact on it. You can also tell if you've got collaboration occurring, which students are adding what. And I even caught one time one student that was actually taking away from the project. They were adding nonsense and changing fonts and doing things like that instead of actually doing the assignment. So the fact that Google Drive tracks those changes allows you to do this, allows you to grade it. You can make editorial comments. You can mark it up for editing. You can go in and highlight text. Let me show some of that. Inside of here, you can come back in and you can highlight that row if you want to. You can underline, italicize. You can change this however you want to add to or change. There's more things you can do there. You can go in and use any of these. You can do this to highlight, to call attention to what you want them to change. So both people, when you share a document, both people can interact. And again, by looking at the changes, clicking on that, you see who's done what to this document. And you can even, in different colors, you can notice the different changes that's happened there. The green is the new, and it even shows with the blue there what the old one was. Really love this feature in it. It's a way to see if they're on task, see if everybody's contributing, and it's also a way to avoid printing out papers and avoid having to email them back and forth. Hope you've enjoyed this. Thank you.